Getting an admission letter to the University of Nairobi is a moment many students dream of. It marks the beginning of a journey filled with ambition and the hope for a bright future, especially when it comes to the programs they are placed into.
When I came in, I was told that we were to be taught by the then Cabinet Secretary, John Dungu, but it never happened. I don't know why.
But for some, that journey takes an unexpected turn. In some departments, students find themselves struggling with limited access to essential equipment. Practical sessions, which are a key part of some programs, become difficult to follow through.
We'll get easy access to equipment, easy access to boardrooms, access to stations. But then I came to find out that you need a process, you need a procedure so that you can get such.
Others realize the courses they were admitted to don't align with their interests and goals.
And the interfaculty transfer, I was doing project management, but then it's kind of not my thing, which is a good thing because I figured it out during my first year instead of waiting till later. So yeah.
Still, some students take the challenges positively, choosing to adapt and make the best of what their programs offer.
I already had a mind preoccupied of politics. I already prepared myself back then. I knew that I could only do political science, but now that I came, I saw it to attach with things that are correlated. For example, sociology. It relates how you can socialize with the people, and conflict relates with the conflicts we are having in politics.
For many, university life becomes a lesson in itself, not only about academics, but also about finding direction and reshaping expectations.
You have to put in a lot of hard work so that you can get what you want, the desired outcome.
Reporting for UNC TV, my name is Patience Jedida.
UNC TV, empowering you.